And we all have the power as parents. Children don't have the emotional maturity or the tools to be aware of their environment. But one of our jobs as parents is to keep them safe and make sure that the environment or the energy that they're in a lot of the time is loving and kind and safe and predictable. But the problem is, being a parent is an unpredictable job, because children are, human beings are unpredictable and we're not in control of them. So this is why this morning lots of you have already asked to join the group. I'm doing a masterclass or a mini free training next Wednesday, and it's going to be called How to Trust in Your Ability to be a Confident Parent. Because if you're able to trust yourself, by trusting yourself, you will automatically change the energy in your 80% of parental exhaustion is fear, guys. 80%. So in this mini training, I'm going to teach you how to transform that fear into other feelings which have a higher vibration, which are more positive, and your children will be resting in that energy. It's quite exciting. It's quite exciting. So that takes place next Wednesday, the 24th of January at 8:30. And there's nothing, you don't have to sign up, you just need to add yourself to the Facebook group. So it's www.facebook.com/groups/smiley freebie. I will put the link in below when I come offline, but I'd love to see you all there. I'm going to create a little workbook with some journaling, like reflection questions. We're going to go through them together, and we're going to look at ways of how we can transform this fear, this fearful energy into other feelings which will make you feel more secure. And I want you to be more connected to yourself and your innate ability to parent and know what's right, to listen to yourself, because you have it.